What's up, YouTube? Darren Dyke here with Beyond Slow Motion. Good to see you guys again. I am out here today with Paul Dang.
Hey, hey, hey.
What's up? And JT Nickel.
How's it going?
Yeah. These guys are the guys that I featured in that video last year called YoYo Wizardry. These guys are amazingly talented throwers, some of the best in the Northwest. And yeah, we got a lot of requests after that video just to show some crazy tricks in super slow motion. We didn't do enough slow motion in that YoYo Wizardry video, so today I brought my Phantom with me, and we're gonna be shooting some crazy epic yo-yo tricks out here at Horsetail Falls. All right, so tell me a little bit about the trick you're about to try.
The trick I'm about to try is called a horizontal trick. Most tricks go like up and down in this plane. Horizontal is where it's sideways to your body. So the yo-yo is way out in front of you. It's not, it's like at a diagonal axis basically. So we're gonna pop it up onto our finger, it's gonna grind on there, throw the string into it, and it's gonna do this cool vortex vibe.
Sweet. Let's see it.
Let's do it.
Do we go left? I see no signs. Do we go right? I can't decide. Do we turn back? Do we turn back? Missing your face. First up to mine. What are the days? End up in time. How do we fall? How did we fall? Do we go left? I see no signs. Do we go right? Can't decide. Do we turn back?
So that's some crazy stuff. What did you call that again?
The trick is called a finger spin, and then it's like a vortex bind at the end.
That's sick.
That's the combination of the two, really.
How long did that take you to learn?
Oh, I mean, I was probably at least 3 or 4 years in before I even started messing with it. And like, probably around 3 years in was when like a lot of pro players started doing it on stage, and it gained a lot of popularity, and it was like, gotta catch up with the times, man. People are spinning yo-yos on their fingers now.
That's crazy stuff. That's crazy stuff. By the way, this is Linneas.
What's up?
He's helping me film today. Seriously being a massive help. He's awesome. Love this dude.
So much fun. I haven't filmed with you since the bubble video, which we did here.
Yeah, if you want to check out the bubble video, which I made with Linneas, there will be links in the description. Make sure to check it out. But yeah, let's try something with Paul now.
Missing your face. First up to mine. What are the days? End up in time. How do we fall? How did we fall? We are all we've
So for all of us non-yo-yoers, can you guys explain a little bit more about like what kind of makes it different?
The tricks that I like to do a lot, it's technical. It's tight spaces. Everything's kind of in. You know, I try to add some flair. I try to pop out every now and then. JT style, it's a little more open and wide.
I like to utilize a little bit of technicality, but I also like to utilize the space around me, whether it's my arms behind my back, behind my head. I just like to make best use of the space I can to complement the trick I'm doing, I guess.
Okay, so you basically use more of your body, and you get more like knots in a row.
Yeah, more little knots, more little weird stuff happening, more like mind-blowing, like what is this guy doing? Like what stuff like that.
So this spot's pretty sweet and all, but it's like also incredibly loud. So we're gonna try and find another spot nearby, and hopefully a place we can play around with water a little bit more without getting the cameras absolutely soaked. Because if you can look down here, that spray of waterfall is going all the way to the edges and all the way up over there. Like, even out here, it's sopping wet. So we have to, like, you know, keep the cameras, you know, under control. So we're gonna go see if we can find a place we can get a little bit more freedom to move. So yeah, I'm a bit out of shape right now.
We all out of shape, dog. You might be too. It's a sign.
But yeah, we're hiking up to the upper Horsetail Falls right now because we took a look at some pictures on Google. Looked awesome. Looks really awesome. So we're gonna check it out, see what's up. Don't fall. So this falls leads down to those falls. Oh, this is sick. All right, so I'm really curious right now. What was that last, like, twisting tornado grab that you did to end that last run?
So what'll happen is if you pull the string up like perpendicular to the way it would normally hang from the yo-yo, it'll spin around the yo-yo as it retracts. So you end up with this crazy spiral pattern right at the very end. You just pull up and the yo-yo follows, and you kind of just yo-yo goes up, hand comes down, and it all comes together right at the center there.
So like, it's a UFO, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, UFO.
It's a variation of like a very old trick called the UFO.
You throw it sideways, and that string catches the yo-yo, and it just wraps up, creating like a vortex, tornado, hurricane, Katrina sort of thing. Not Katrina. One for the homies. I'm pouring a drink. That's so bad. I felt so bad.
Anyway, sick stuff. That looks crazy in slow motion too. We're running out of light here, so I think we're gonna try to head back down the hill. So as much as I'm gonna miss this place, that awesome waterfall and all, we'll be back. Down we go. Oh, that's awesome. Man, I love the views here in Oregon. It's awesome. Anyway, guys, that was Paul and JT from One Drop YoYos. Where can they find your stuff, guys?
Go up to onedropyoyos.com, or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You know, Google search that. Your best friend. Thank you for watching.
Yep.
Our pleasure. Shout out to Darren and Linneas for filming us. Those guys are awesome.
Woo. Definitely.
Good times.
If you want to check out Linneas' channel, also links in the description. I'll leave links to all these guys' social medias also in the description. We're going to be doing another cool video here with yo-yos and paint, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, it was really fun. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Bye.